Okay, looking at what we have so far, we have our character here. If I go into game mode, I can move him left and right. We've got gravity pulling him down and the physics engine stopping him from going through the ground, although he's behind our grass. And what I want to do now is give him the ability to jump. So I'm going to hit escape, and then I'm going to right click and go actor control. And we have our player selected here, and we're going to add an event. We're going to say key down, and I'm going to hit spacebar, and spacebar would be our jump key, but you can do whatever key if you want. Up arrow, and you can do more than one. You can hit up arrow too. You can see space or up. At any point, if you hit keys you don't mean to, you can hit clear. I'm just going to do spacebar though. I'm going to disable repeat, and the reason for that is if I don't disable that, if you hold down space, he'll keep going up. Now, if you want to make sort of a jetpack type thing, which we've done if you've watched my 3D Blender tutorials, you would leave repeat enabled. And we might play with that later on. But for right now, we're going to disable repeat. And you can also see, just go a little bit more into this, execute when at least one of these keys is pressed. You can also do all the keys are pressed, or keys are pressed in order. So if you want to do like a secret combination of keys in your game, that's what that would be for. And all keys are pressed if you want to do like alt up will make something happen. But we're just doing one key, so at least one of the keys is pressed. We'll make it space, disable repeat. Now we're going to add an action, and we're going to add something in the script editor. And we're just going to say y velocity. So this is the up down, the speed of our player going up and down. We're going to say equals y velocity, and we're going to say minus, and once again, minus for some reason is up. That's a little confusing to me. And I'll say 15. And then we'll do a semicolon to end that. Although we might change that. Higher this number is, the higher our character will jump. We're going to add that, select immediate. We'll hit close here, and we'll go to game mode. So our character fell down. We can go left and right. Now, if I hit spacebar, whoop, he kind of hops up a little bit. We definitely want him to hop higher than that. So we're going to hit escape. Now, we've gone over adding events and actors. Let's see how to edit them. So events, we don't want to add. We're going to edit something we already have created. And what I'm going to edit is something we did a few tutorials ago, which is the gravity pulling him down. I'm going to say draw actor, and you can see script editor here. He's coming down at a speed of 4. Let's change that to 2. So he'll fall a little bit slower. Okay, immediate action. Now I'm going to edit a key down. So we're going to go key down. And you can see we have all the key down that we created. We have right, left, and space. We want to edit space. And we're going to go into edit action. And here we have it set to 15. I'm going to change that to 25. So between our gravity pulling down, getting lowered to half of what it was before, and us increasing this, we should get a higher jump. I'm going to click OK, immediate action, and then I'm just going to hit game mode. So he's fallen. I can move left and right. Now if I hit spacebar, that's a pretty good jump right there. Now, there is a little thing, and I'm sure I can come up with a way to make it so it doesn't do this, but the way we've done this jump so far, if we keep tapping space, like we hold it, see I'm holding it now, he jumps up and comes down because we have repeat off. But if I keep tapping it, he keeps jumping for every tap I do on the space bar, which is nice. Some games it's nice to have a double jump, but you probably don't want people being able to do more than a double jump. So I haven't gotten to a point where I know how to undo that, but I'm sure I could think of some ways using variables to limit you to 2, and then you have to wait till you hit ground again. Ground again. But for now, we've got a character that can move around and jump. He has gravity pulling him down and physics on the ground to stop him. We're getting pretty far in game creation already, and we're only on like the 3rd or 4th tutorial. So I hope you keep watching. Visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this and other open source tools and software. And for this 2D game editor, go to game-editor.com. The link should be in the description if I wasn't lazy enough, to put it there. Wasn't lazy enough? If I was so lazy that I didn't put it, whatever. But I'm loving this program and the fact that it's open source, and if you're creating open source games, it's free to use, which is great because that will just create more open source games that not only run on Windows but run on Linux and other mobile platforms, and soon the iPhone, I guess. And this is just a great tool. Go there, support their tool by using it, and support open source by creating open source games. Now that I've ranted a little bit, visit my site, their site, and keep watching for more tutorials. Have a great day.